Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today, because Christmas is near, I am giving away a subscription for PlaceIt and Envato PlaceIt, which will be discounted for you guys. If you want to grab this deal, go ahead and click on the video description. You will benefit of a 20% discount for your PlaceIt subscription. So instead of $14.95, you will pay only $11.96 per month, and if you subscribe to an annual subscription, you will pay only $7.47 per month, and the annual price will be $89.69 per year. So go ahead guys and grab the link from this video description. You will benefit of this Christmas deal on PlaceIt. So if you wish to use PlaceIt to create these beautiful images to boost your company and even your Christmas campaigns, then you will be able to do this on PlaceIt. So here we are. If we wish to edit this image, for example, only simply click on it, and Envato PlaceIt will open up this editor for you, and you will be able to change the text and everything that appears on this Christmas banner, for example, also images, colors, and simply write here what you wish to write in the picture, and PlaceIt will put this text for you on the image. So as you can see, CodeRevolution is coming. And yeah, this is how simple it is to use PlaceIt. If you have an active subscription, you simply download the finished work and you are good to publish it on your social media or on your site. So yeah, this is an offer for PlaceIt, so go ahead guys and check it out. Link in video description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.